Myself Himavarsha. I am from second triple at Srinivasa Ramanujam Institute of Technology. Now I am going to discuss about principle and operation of single phase transformer. Here is a topic: principle and operation of single phase transformer. Here I am going to tell about introduction to single phase transformers. A single phase transformer is an electrical device that transports electrical energy between two circuits using electromagnetic induction. It operates with a single alternating voltage and current supply. Transformers are essential for voltage regulation and power distribution in residual and small commercial applications. Principle of operation. The fundamental principle of a transformer is electromagnetic induction, discovered by Michael Faraday. When an alternating current flows through the primary coil, it creates a time varying magnetic flux. This changes magnetic flux induces a voltage in the secondary coil, enabling energy transfer. Core construction. The core of a single phase transformer is typically made from laminated silicon steel to reduce energy losses. The laminated layers prevent eddy current formation, which can cause heating and efficiency. The core provides a low reluctance path for magnetic flux, improving transformer efficiency. Here is a diagram. The left side is primary winding and right side is secondary winding. Primary and secondary windings. The primary winding receives the input voltage while the secondary winding delivers the transformed output voltage. Both windings are usually wound around the same core to ensure magnetic coupling. The turns ratio between primary and secondary determines where the transformers step up or step down voltage. Here is a flux throwing through the middle of the core and voltage transformer. The voltage ratio between primary and secondary is proportional to the turns ratio of the coils. If the secondary turns are more than the primary, the transformer steps up voltage. Conversely, if the secondary turns are fewer, it steps down voltage, which is common in distribution systems. And now tell about operation in AC circuits. The transformer operates only with alternating current, as direct current would not produce a changing magnetic flux. During operation, the alternating flux induces a back EMF that opposes the applied voltage according to Lenz's law. The current in the primary coil produces the magnetic flux necessary for inducing voltage in the secondary. And power and efficiency. Ideally, power input to the primary equals power output from the secondary minus losses. Real transformers have core losses like hysteresis and eddy current losses. The copper losses in the windings. High efficiency transformers can achieve efficiencies of over 98%, minimizing energy losses. Load and no load conditions. Under no load conditions, the secondary is disconnected or tightly loaded and the primary draws a small magnetizing current. When loaded current in the secondary causes a corresponding primary current and maintaining flux. The transformer's voltage regulation and efficiency depends on the load condition. Here's one diagram. The left side is primary winding voltage and right side is output voltage. And now applications of single phase transformers. Single phase transformers are widely used in residential power supplies and small scale industrial applications like streets, village lights. They are essential for stepping down high transmission voltage to usable levels for consumers. They are also used in some measurement and testing equipment requiring isolated AC sources. Here is a single phase transformer. And summary. A single phase transformer operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction to transfer energy. Its operation relies on the magnetic coupling between primary and secondary windings through the core. Proper design and construction ensure efficient voltage transformations suitable for various electrical applications. Here is a single phase transformer. Let's say primary winding V1 and secondary winding V2. I1 is primary current and I2 is secondary current. The magnetic flux through the magnetic flux middle of the single phase transformer. Here is the differences, and thank you.